Hello everyone, welcome to Kesha Math Academy. Today I will teach you how to perform decimal to binary conversion. In the previous video I have explained to you how to do binary to decimal conversion. Okay, today I will tell you how to perform decimal to binary conversion. Okay, so if we have decimal part as well as fraction part, how can we do decimal to binary conversion? In order to perform before the fraction point, in order to convert decimal to binary, we have to divide the decimal number by 2. Now consider the example. Consider 53 in decimal, that we have to convert it into binary. Okay, in decimal the base is 10 and in binary the base is 2. Therefore, in order to convert from decimal to binary, you have to divide it by 2. Okay, I'll show you the steps now. Consider 53, so continuously divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 1 remainder 13, 0, 2 6s are 12, 1 remainder, 2 1s are 2, 1 remainder, and you have to start from bottom to top. Therefore, I can write 53 in decimal is equal to, start from bottom to top. So 1 1 0 1 0 1. 1 1 0 1 0 1. Therefore, I can write it as 1 1 0 1 0 1 in binary. Okay, in binary. Let us consider another example. I'll write here, consider 47 in decimal is equal to how much in binary. Okay, so 47 continuously divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3 remainder 1, remainder 1, 2 5s are 10, remainder 1, 2 2s are 4, remainder 1, 2 1s are 2, remainder 0. Therefore, I can write 47 in decimal is equal to, here 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 in binary. Okay, so how can we check this one, whether it is correct or not? So checking can be done like this. See, first position is 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 5. So this can be written as, now, so you have 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 0 position, 2 to the power of 1 position, 2 to the power of 2 position, 2 to the power of 3 position, 2 to the power of 4 position, 2 to the power of 5 position. Now see here, you have here 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1. So this means 2 to the power of 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 2 to the power of 1 is 2, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 2 to the power of 3 is 8, this is 0, okay, 0, because 0 you have here, 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So if you add all these, you have to get back 47. Now see here, 32, 32 plus 8, 40, 40 plus 4, 44, 44 plus 2, 46, 46 plus 1, 47. Okay, so this is decimal to binary conversion, and what I have explained here is, this is binary to decimal conversion. Binary to decimal conversion. Okay, I will consider another example which consists of fractions. I'll write here fraction. I'll consider the number I'll consider the number 0.4375, 0.4375 in decimal. That's equal to how much in binary. Now see here, you have here fraction part. You have here fraction part. If you have fraction part, you have to divide. You have to divide it by 2. Before the fraction point, we have before the fraction point we have divided here. After the fraction point you have to multiply. After the fraction point you have to multiply. Now I'll show you. Now first consider 0.4375. You have to multiply by 2. If you multiply, you will get it as, okay, 2 5s are 10, 1 remaining, 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15, 1 remaining, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7, 2 4s are 8. Okay, now see here 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4. So you have to put a point. Okay, so here you have 0. Okay, therefore whatever you have this 0 you have to write it here. Okay, you have to write down here. So I'll write it here. Okay, that 0 you have to write down 0. Okay, next step you have to consider after the fraction point what you have, 0.875, 0.875 that you have to consider here. Okay, so 0.875 multiplied by 2. So if you multiply this, you will get it as 1.750. Okay, you multiply and see 2 5s are 10, 1 remaining, 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15, 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17, 1 2 3, therefore 1 2 3. Now see here, you have 1, this one you have to write down here. Okay, this one you have to write down here. Okay, for the next step you have to consider again 0.750, 0.750 multiply by 2. Okay, if you multiply, 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10, 1, 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15, 3. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, now see 1 is remaining here, so write down 1 here. Again next step you have to consider 0.5. Okay, 0.5 multiply by 2, so you will get 1.0. Okay, this is the remainder 1 you have to write down here, and here you have to start from top to bottom. Okay, so before the fraction point we have taken from bottom to top, and after the fraction point you have to take from top to bottom. Therefore I can write now 0.4375 is equal to 0.0111 in binary. Okay, now so I'll show you one more example. Okay, one minute. Consider the number 44.8125 in decimal is equal to how much in binary. Okay, now first consider 44. 44 can be, before the fraction point you have to divide 22 times 0, 11 times 0, 2 5s are 10, 1, 2 2s are 4, 1, 2 ones are to 0, like this. So this is 1 0 1 1 0 0. Okay, now I'll do 8125.8125 multiply by 2. If you multiply, you will get it as 1.6250. You multiply, 2 5s are 10, 1 remaining, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. 1 2 3 4, therefore 1 2 3 4. So the integer value is 1. This you have to write. Okay, next step is 0.6250 multiply by 2. If you multiply, you will get 1.250. So here also you have 1, so write down 1. Next 0.250, this one 0.250 you have to multiply by 2. Multiply by 2, you will get 0.50. Okay, so here the remainder is, this is 0. Again 0.5 multiply by 2, you will get 1.0. So this 1 you have to write here, and you have to come from top to bottom. Okay, now therefore 44.8125 in decimal is equivalent to 44. First you write down 44. 44 is 101100. For fraction point you put point. Then 8125 is 1101. Okay, this is the answer. Conversion from decimal to binary. Therefore, one thing you remember, in the previous slide I have explained how to convert binary to decimal. Okay, in the case of binary to decimal, first we have multiplied before the fraction point. After the fraction point you have to divide. Okay, now here in decimal to binary conversion, okay, I'll write here decimal to binary conversion. In this decimal to binary conversion, so before the fraction point you have to divide by 2. Before the fraction point you have to divide by 2. After the fraction point you have to multiply by 2. Before the fraction point you have to divide by 2. After the fraction point you have to multiply by 2. Okay, I hope you would have understood this concept. Okay, we will see further in the next video. Thank you.